Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, and we're going to explain where you can expect to find, guys, your oil cooler, where the oil cooler is located. Stay with us, we're going to cover that. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, guys, and on Volkswagen Tiguan alone we'll have probably close to 300 to 400 videos, guys. We'll be taking it completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing this free information. If you guys need to buy a new oil cooler, gaskets, or any replacement parts and tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from. So now I'm going to go ahead, open the hood, support it, and show you what we got here. This is a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, but it should work for the whole first generation from year 2007 to year 2017 with a 2.0 gasoline engine, guys. This is 2.0 TSI engine. If you have an engine that looks like that, the video should relate to it. Now, if you want to see the replacement video of the oil cooler, guys, okay, how to remove it and how to replace it, we'll have the video on our main channel, How to Repair, guys. That's where you're going to find all the mechanical videos posted for that Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll put them on How to Repair, guys. You're watching now Auto Mechanics. It's more of an informational channel, and if you want to see car diagnostics, where fuses, relays are located, diagnosing engine lights and airbag lights, they will be on that channel, guys, and people are really giving us good feedback about that channel, so please subscribe, guys. All we are doing here is trying to save you money. So now this is the 2.0 gasoline engine, guys. Now where is that oil cooler located? First you start looking at it, guys, and you just see your oil filter here, right? And you don't see anything else. You think, okay, I don't have an oil cooler, just an oil filter, right? This is your oil pressure switch right here. Looking down, you still don't see anything. But if you guys see behind the alternator, okay, behind your alternator, okay, let me just focus there now. Behind your alternator, on the back side, right there, that's where, guys, your oil cooler is located. So if I zoom in, okay, check it out. This thing right there, this is your oil cooler, guys, right there. So very inconvenient location, guys, but that's where it's located. We have the video on the channel that explains how to remove and replace it, as I said, because sometimes they develop oil leaks there as well. But it's under, okay, right here under the intake manifold, guys, and it's on the right side of the oil filter and behind the alternator. So hopefully, guys, video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. In addition, guys, if you need help with anything related to Volkswagen Tiguan, leave a comment below, guys, and that way we'll get an idea about a video and we'll try to make it in the near future so we can help other people with that problem as well. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.